Did you know that using Google AI, you can create Veo 3.1 videos with long durations in just a single generation? Many people might not be aware of this, but in today's video, I'll explain a complete tutorial from start to finish on how you can make a video that lasts 1 minute or even longer using Google AI with the Veo 3.1 model. Let's get straight into the tutorial. But before we start, please like, comment, and subscribe, and support me, because I really appreciate your support. Here's the tutorial. The tool we're going to use this time is labs.google.com, and as you know, there are 4 main features in Google Labs. The first is Wix, where you can create Veo 3 videos and images using the Nano Banana Pro feature. The second is Flow, which has the most complex features and is what we'll use today. There's also Image FX and Music FX, which you can try for creating images and music. But we'll focus on the Google Flow model. Let's click to open Flow. This is the Google Flow interface. Let's create a project with Flow. The interface is actually quite simple. Here are some projects I've created before, and you can see the models available for both video and image. First, you need to log in. I'm logging in with my Pro account, which already has 1,000 AI credits to use. Let's click to create a new project. Once inside, you'll see 2 main features, video and image. For images, there are several models available, such as Imagen 4, Nano Banana, and Nano Banana Pro. Free users get Imagen 4 and Nano Banana, while Nano Banana Pro requires a subscription or a Pro account. For videos, there are several options as well, such as text to video, frame to video, and material to video. Today, we'll focus specifically on text to video. To create a movie or a longer video, you need a prompt. I used ChatGPT to generate the prompt. Here's the one I created, a 30-second zombie film. We'll use Veo 3 with the scene builder method, which we'll explain at the end of the video. In the prompt, we ask for detailed descriptions for the first scene, because all following scenes will be based on the first. Scenes 2 and 4 will use the scene builder derived from the first scene. As you can see, the prompt for the first scene is very detailed, covering camera, action, and sound design. The second scene prompt is simpler, followed by the third and fourth scenes. If you want a longer video, you can increase the duration, e.g., from 30 seconds to 90 seconds, 2 minutes, or even 5 minutes, depending on your available credits in Google Flow. Now, let's start. We'll copy the first scene prompt and paste it into Google Flow in the prompt box. Next, we set the aspect ratio. You can choose landscape or portrait. We'll use landscape for this video. For the output, we'll create one video output. This is useful if you want to generate multiple versions, but for one output, it costs 20 credits. We'll use the Veo 3.1 face model. The Veo 3.1 quality model costs 100 credits per video, which is very expensive, so we'll stick with Veo 3.1 face. Once everything is set, click Submit, and wait for the video to be generated. Now, as you can see, the first scene has been created, and we can play the resulting video. For the first scene, you might notice a small error in the generated video. For example, a zombie appears in the front. If you're not happy with the result, you can regenerate it using the reuse command. Just click the button and it will try to regenerate the scene. The first attempt can also be deleted. Keep in mind, your first generation might not always be perfect. You may need to generate several times to get the ideal result. Once you have the first scene ready, the next step is to extend the video's duration, which was initially only 8 seconds, by adding more scenes. On a PC or desktop, there is a menu called Add to Scene, which lets you add duration. If you're using a smartphone, switch to desktop mode first, so this feature appears. Using it is simple. Click the button, and you'll be taken to a new interface where you can add the next scene. Click the button beside the scene, then click Extend. Next, copy the prompt for the second scene and paste it in the designated area, then submit. The second scene will be generated beside the first. Repeat this process for all remaining scenes. Now we have all 4 scenes completed using this method. Let's take a look at the final video. If there's something wrong with any scene, you can delete it by clicking Save and removing the specific scene you want to fix. Once done, click Finish, and you can regenerate the problematic scenes. Downloading the video is very easy. Just click the download arrow, and the video will be exported so you can save it. That's it for this video. I hope it's helpful. If you want to support me, please like, comment, and subscribe so I stay motivated to create more exciting content for you. See you in the next video.